Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of class 10th, today we will continue our topic of your English book, that is Long Walk to Freedom, written by Nelson Mandela. अभी तक हमने देखा कि नेल्सन मंडेला की जो कौम थी साउथ अफ्रीका के अंदर, ब्लैक्स, उनको एक मुश्किलात का सामना वहाँ पर था. दैट वाज एपरेथाइड ए प्रैक्टिस. एक वहाँ पर चल रही थी प्रैक्टिस. दे वर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर कलर की बुनियाद पर उनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जाता था. दे वर स्नैच्ड ऑफ देयर बेसिक इम्यूनिटीज़, ऑफ देयर बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़. Whatever privileges the whites enjoyed, they were not enjoying the same kind of privileges, same kind of benefits. So Nelson Mandela fought for that. He raised he goes against this law. So we are seeing how much he has suffered in getting this practice withdrawn, to get this overturned this practice. इसको ख़त्म करने के लिए, इस प्रैक्टिस को ख़त्म करने के लिए उसने कौन कौन से मुश्किलात सहे, तो अभी तक हम ये देखते आ रहे हैं. सो हम यहाँ से देख लेंगे आज. I was not born with a hunger to be free. Nelson Mandela says that he was not born with a hunger to be free. It was not the matter of a hunger only, that I should free from the hunger. I was born free. He says that the man is born free and nobody should snatch the freedom of the man. Free in every way that I could know. Man should be free in every way. Whatever he wants to do, whatever he wants to know, whatever he wants to wear, whatever he wants to eat, he should be free in every aspect of his life. Free to run in the fields near my mother's hut. He says that I should be free to run in the fields, to go into the fields who are near his mother's hut. Free to swim in the clear stream. He should be free to swim in the clear stream. If there is a stream that runs through his village, he should be allowed to go into that stream and to swim there. Free to roast maize under the stars. He should be allowed to cook the maize under the stars and ride the broad back of slow-moving bulls. And he should be allowed to ride on the bulls also. So it means that there were the restrictions on these tasks to black people. They were not enjoying these kinds of privileges. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. Nelson Mandela says that when he obeyed his mother and father and he accepted the customs of his tribe means folk, अपनी कौम की जो कस्टमर्स थे, जब मैं उनको अबाइड बाय करता था, जो एक्सेप्ट करता था, या अपने माँ बाप को उनकी फरमाबरदारी करता था, I was not troubled by the laws of man. He was not troubled. He was not worried by the laws of man or God. यानी खुदा के कानून से तब उसको कोई, या इंसान के कानून से तब उसको कोई मुश्किलात सामने नहीं आती थी. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. And when he came to know, when he started to learn that his boyhood freedom, उसकी बचपन की जो आज़ादी है, that was an illusion. वो एक ख्वाब था, डे ड्रीम था. That was illusion means day dream. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, and he as a young man learned that his freedom has been taken, his freedom as a human being has been taken away, that I began to hunger for it. Now he start to have a great desire for it. Hunger here means desire. He started to have the desire for that freedom. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. The transitory freedom of being able to stay away at night. When he was a boy, when he was a student, the freedom at that time means for him that he should be able to stay out at night. रात को मैं बाहर बैठूंगा, रात को मैं नाइट कहीं पे गुजारूंगा. It was a freedom for him. Read what I pleased and go where I choose. And whatever he want to read, he can read, and wherever he want to go, he should go. It was a freedom for Nelson Mandela. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedom of living a dignified life. Later, he says that when he was in Johannesburg, he learned that yearned means wish for something. He wished for something, that he should have a basic and honorable freedom of living dignified. He should have that kind of freedom. He should have the basic facilities, and he should live an honorable kind of life, a dignified kind of life. मैं तो इज़्ज़त की ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहता हूँ. वही यानी आज़ादी का मकसद है कि एक इंसान को बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, और ही शुड लिव अ वेरी ऑनरेबल यानी इज़्ज़तदार ज़िंदगी वो गुजारना चाहता था, और डिग्निफाइड लाइफ गुजारना चाहता था. बट देन आई स्लोली सॉ दैट नॉट ओनली वॉज आई नॉट फ्री, but my brothers and sisters were not free. Now later on he came to know, he learned that he is not only free, but his sisters and his brothers, the people around him who are of black color, they were not also free. Their freedom has been snatched. They were discriminated everywhere. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. So he says that not only the freedom of Nelson Mandela was reduced, curtailed means reduced, but everyone's freedom was curtailed, everyone's freedom was reduced. Everyone here means those people who are black, who are having a black color. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. So he says that when he joined the National Congress, African National Congress, and when his desire, when he says that the desire own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of. So when he thought that he only should not get the freedom, but his people should also get the freedom like he is getting. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. So this desire that he should live a very free kind of life, and the people of his color and they should live a very dignified and honorable life. This animated his life. This give a life to his life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. So this thing changed, this thing changed a frightened young man, a terrified, एक खौफजदा आदमी को इस चीज़ ने एक खौफजदा इंसान को क्या बनाया, into a bold one, एक बहादुर बन गया वो. That drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal. That crush, law-abiding means obeying the law. Attorney means agent to become a criminal. That turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. I am no more virtuous or self-sacrificing than the next man. Virtuous means honest, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedom I was allowed. So later on, he says that though there were a little bit freedom was given to them, to the black people, so that he says that Nelson Mandela was not. It is not. He will not live. Uh, uh, he should get a full kind of freedom. When I knew my people were not free, when he says that the people were his people were not free, he says that we should get a freedom in every kind of life, in every aspect of their life. Freedom is enjoyed. The poor. Freedom is indivisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. So he says that if one of his man, means black people, is having chains, is having restrictions on their lives, so it means all the people are in chains. The chains on all my people were the chains on me. So he says that when my people are not getting the freedom, so it means that he is not getting the freedom. So I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. So he says that one who is oppressor, one who is discriminating, he must be liberated first. He should be he should get the freedom first, just as surely as the oppressed. यानी जो ऑप्रेस करने वाला है, जो जुल्म करने वाला है, पहले उसको लिबरेट हमें करना चाहिए, वो फिर आज़ाद ख्याल का होना चाहिए, ताकि वो दूसरों की आज़ादी को समझ सकेगा. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. जो इंसान एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान की आज़ादी को छीन लेता है, वो ही prisoner of hatred है, वो नफरत का कैदी है वो. He is looked behind the bars of prejudice. Partiality. Prejudice means partiality. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness. वो तो एक narrow-minded इंसान है और वो लॉक हो चुका है behind the bars of prejudice. I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom. He says that if I am taking the freedom of someone, he is not also free. So the man who takes away the freedom of another man, he is also not free. He is behind the bars of prejudice. He is a narrow-minded person. Just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. So means the oppressor, जो जुल्म करने वाला है, and the oppressor, जिसके ऊपर जुल्म किया जाता है, they are alike are robbed. उन दोनों जो है उनको of their humanity, वो इंसानियत उनके दोनों के अंदर इंसानियत ख़त्म हो जाती है. So it means that freedom, a man is born free. अल्लाह ताला ने इंसान को जो है एक आज़ाद इंसान पैदा किया है. So there should not be restrictions on the freedom of human being on the basis of their color, race, religion, etc., etc. Everybody is in this world is free and he should get that freedom. So if there is something like that prevalent in any country in the world, we should jointly fight for that, and freedom should everybody should get freedom in this world. आज़ादी हर इंसान का हक है और हर किस्म की आज़ादी जो है इंसान को इस दुनिया में मिलनी चाहिए. थैंक यू.